Before you submit that video project, here are a few things you should know. I'm Ms. Johnson, Education Officer responsible for multimedia at the Learning Resources section of the Department of Education, and I teach creators like you how to make content that inspires. While we can't wait to see your submissions, we want to help you make them the best that they can possibly be. Here are some guidelines you want to follow. Write a script. This helps to keep your word count and stay within the time limits.
Rehearsing the scripts also makes you more confident on camera.
The second is turn the camera horizontally. For formal presentations, turning the camera horizontally gives you more space for photos, video inserts, and on-screen text.
Your submissions should be shot at a resolution of 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels.
This ensures a clean and clear video presentation. Number 3, use a microphone. Your cell phone or DSLR camera has one built in, but if you can get an external microphone that plugs into your cell phone, using one will make your audio cleaner and better able to be heard. Finally, cite your sources. One of the biggest mistakes we see with research presentations like these is that students often forget to cite their sources. That means you make a note of where you got a photo, video, or audio recording you used to support your point.
If using a photo from a newspaper, when the media appears, write a script that says it was sourced, where from, and on which date. It's that simple.
Do the same for audio or video recordings. And finally, have a slide that lists all of your sources and keep it on the screen for at least 30 seconds to allow viewers time to read the page. Now, do you need help? Schedule a shoot time here at the Learning Resources section, weekdays between 3:30 p.m. and 5 p.m. We can assist with a quiet space, some lighting, proper audio, and some on-camera coaching so that you can make your presentation the best it can be. We hope this helps. And create great things.